Hi and welcome to the video. Today I will check in the lower deck is at the correct height. In order to do so, I will need to make a couple of cannons. The lower gun deck is fitted with 32-pound cannons. The ones with the kit are incomplete, as they would normally sit in the fake gun port backings. I could increase the size of the cannons with a dowel and turn it on a mini lathe. Now I'm not sure I would be able to get consistent results. I need 30 in total. Checking John Mackay's book, The 100 Gun Ship Victory. These images are all drawn at 1.48 scale. The gun length is 62mm. So that means the full-size gun was 9 foot 7.63 inches in length. Now if I convert that to the 172 scale, which is the scale for this model, the cannon length would need to be 41.33mm. I've checked another source for the gun sizes, and as you can see there are some slight variances, just over an inch in size. I thought I would check to see if Caldercraft made replacement guns. They do, but unfortunately they don't make them to the right scale. It would also work out quite expensive, as I need 30 32-pounders and 28 24-pounders. Based on these prices, it would cost around about £285. I did find a number of websites offering 3D printed cannons, but again the price was almost on a par with the Caldercraft website. I decided to check out Colt's website. If you don't know it, it is a great site to find STL files for 3D printing. I found this complete cannon file for £2.47. I think the details are good. It takes about 2 hours to print 2 of the guns. You see the rope rings print okay on one side, but not on the other. I will remove these and replace with metal ones. You see the detail here, we've even got lettering on the cannon. I need to adjust the scale slightly. I'm about 2mm too long here. I fitted the lower gun port template. Just placing the guns so I can get an idea of how it will look. It's at this point I realised I'd made a mistake with my measurement for the deck position. You may recall I marked the positions for the lower deck 6mm below the gun ports, which was correct. However, I didn't allow for the deck being 2mm thick. I should have marked 8mm, not 6. So I need to make some adjustments to the ribs. Well, this highlights why you need to test fit. If I just glued everything together, I would have a really hard job trying to fix it now. You can see how much is visible through the gun ports. This should work out really nice. I've been thinking about the inner wall, which will fit on the ribs. Initially I was thinking of planking it, but the gun ports would have been quite fiddly, as they would need to line up with the outside. As I've already got the outside template, why not replicate this for the inside? I'm marking on the positions of all the ribs. I've also marked the top of the deck by 6mm from the gun port. Got this measurement right this time. If you like the videos, please like, subscribe and comment. Now I'll be able to measure the deck height at each rib, and that should give me the correct sizes for the internal wall template. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everybody who voted in the poll for the music. As you can see, or as you can hear, the votes for music were a lot more than for those who didn't like the music. I'd also like to thank everybody for their comments. It's nice to receive the comments, and I do reply to all of them. So thank you for your support. Lights I'm thinking of using have just turned up. As you can see, they are nice and small, so I should be able to conceal them easily. I'm thinking about creating some lanterns for them. The pack comes with a variety of resistors so that you can choose your power requirements. I'll try and get some wired up for the next video so that we can see what they are like. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.